All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work with ones with actual numbers. Now, do we actually have to draw the whole number line? I mean, we have like our 0, our -1, -2, -3, and so on, and also 1, 2, 3. Well, for simplicity's sake, we could have really just done the same thing and just said, okay, well, like we did with the A's, we could say, well, here's -2, and we can just go from there. But if we want all the number line to kind of get a representation where things are, we can do it this way as well. So it's going to be less than -2. So maybe this one we'll do an open circle, go that way. Maybe this one we'll do a parenthesis and go that way. Both of them represent the same thing. This one has a lot more numbers on the number line than this one. This one uses a parenthesis. This uses an open circle. Either case, we're going from negative infinity on left. We always go read left to right on our number lines. So if we start over here, that's at negative infinity, and then we go all the way up to -2, and then we have a parenthesis. Okay, what about this one? X, now this one says X is greater than or equal to a -5. So now did I make any mistakes before? Greater than A? No, I didn't. So this one's to kind of trick you here. So again, I'm just going to put a -5 here. Now I kind of put it in the middle because, I see a -5 and then a less than sign, but you have to read the letters to the numbers however it is. So X is greater than or equal to a -5. So that means we're going to have greater than or equal to is going to be a closed circle, and it's going to be greater than, so we have it going that direction. So our notation would be -5 to positive infinity. Okay. And again, if you wanted to put more numbers here, that would be fine as well. Okay, how about z greater than 4? Okay, well, again, for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to label the 4. I know that, if we want to put another point, that would be my 0. I know I'm going to the right to positive, so that's how it's going to work. Now, z is greater than 4. Well, that's going to be an open circle, and we'll go to the right. And that's going to be a parenthesis, 4, comma, infinity, in parenthesis. Okay, now this one, x less than or equal to 3. All right, so if we have that 0, that's 3, just to put the extra point in there. Here, we're going to have a closed circle, and we're going to go everything less than that. So now we're going from negative infinity all the way up to 3, and now we have a bracket because we have that closed circle. All right, so let's stop there. We'll come back for some more.